Have you ever cracked open a bottle of vanilla extract and caught that intoxicating aroma like warm cookies baking in grandma's kitchen? Rich, floral, almost boozy. But pour a drop into your batter, and magic happens. That right there is vanilla extract. And if you've ever wondered why it transforms recipes like nothing else, you're in for a revelation. Spoiler, it's not just vanilla flavor. So what exactly is vanilla extract? Why does it taste so different from imitation stuff? Where does it come from? And why is real vanilla worth its weight in gold? Today, we're uncorking the secrets of this powerhouse ingredient from pod to bottle, right here on Story of Simple Things. Vanilla extract comes from vanilla orchids, specifically Vanilla planifolia pods, hand-pollinated in steamy tropics. The word vanilla means little pod in Spanish. Its story ignites in 1810s Mexico, where Aztecs gifted it to Spanish explorers as xocolotl companion. But commercial explosion? 1841. Edmund Albius, in Reunion Island, invents hand pollination, slashing costs. From Madagascar, 80% world supply, to Tahiti and Indonesia, it spread via trade winds. Today, it's a $1 billion industry, but labor-intensive, 500-plus days per pod. FDA defines pure extract as 13.35 ounces beans per gallon alcohol, no synthetics. It looks deceptively simple. Dark amber liquid in a tiny bottle. Swirl it oily viscosity from vanillin crystals. 1 teaspoon packs 100-plus compounds, unlike fake vanilla flavoring, just synthetic vanillin. Pure vanilla extract bursts with complex depth. Creamy vanillin sweetness, fruity esters, smoky phenols, floral anisaldehyde. It tastes alive, rounds edges in cakes, amplifies chocolate, perfumes, ice cream. Imitation, flat, chemical one note. Orchids bloom once yearly on vines in humid shade. Green pods harvested, blanched, sweated, cured 6 months fermentation unlocks flavors. Macerated in 35% alcohol for months. Peaks octec harvest. So what exactly is vanilla extract? Orchid pods transformed by fire, sweat, and time into liquid gold that dances on your tongue. It proves simplicity hides explosive power. One drop shifts everything. Next time you bake, reach for pure ignite the difference. Thank you for watching Story of Simple Things. Share your vanilla hacks below. Like, subscribe, stay tuned.